Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, just driving and thinking about California ground squirrel problems. We get a lot of calls and people are pretty heartbroken. And the photos behind me here show the reasons why. These ground squirrels cause tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage in no time. See, the reason is they dig under the concrete and they make the concrete collapse. They cause huge cracks and subsidence in the concrete. The reason that the concrete collapses is the ground squirrels remove the base rock. The base rock is what gives the concrete its integrity. I mean, you'd think concrete's pretty tough stuff, but any flex of the ground underneath or any cavities underneath that allow flex causes the cracking of the concrete. Concrete cracks whenever there's any tension put on it. So the ground squirrels are enemy number one for concrete failure. We see golf courses and schools, parks where all the concrete around is cracking, failing, and needs to be replaced. Some of these are $10,000 to replace. Some of these things are $100,000 to replace. Some are a lot more. There's really no limit. They're very tenacious. They dig and dig and dig. So what do? Well, you can try repellent. If you use repellent, you can get natural repellent at the hardware store, Home Depot, those kinds of places. You can use it every single day until the squirrels go away. They'll come back eventually. You can trap them. You got to be skillful with the trapping. You can poison bait them. There's downsides to that. If they die underneath, your shed or whatever, they may stink, but generally it's just that people are either anti-poison or they don't mind. So if you don't mind using the poison and it's available in your area, that's a way to do it. You got to put the poison, the rodenticide, as we call it professionally, in a bait station to keep all the other animals out of it, because dogs will eat it, deer will eat it, birds will eat it, pigs will eat it. All wildlife will eat this bait and it will sicken them or kill them. So you gotta be very responsible with your bait applications. So that's it, traps. A lot of people pour concrete or stuff, gravel in the open holes. It doesn't work, folks. The ground squirrels dig right around what you do and they can dig easily. So if you think you're gonna slow them down with patching up the holes they dig, don't waste your time. The squirrel will not stop digging. You got to remove the squirrel, and that's that. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, come on over to pestdude.com, fill out our contact form, or make some comments in the video below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts about pest issues that bug you. All right.